All right, this is going to be The Man Who Sold the World. This is the Nirvana version. This was a David Bowie song. Nirvana covered this. And this is detuned, a half step. So sorry for that, but you're going to be able to jam along with the record a lot easier. And this is a cool riff that's not so crazy fast that you really could play this main riff along with the record. And the strumming is not too crazy hard either, so definitely it's worth tuning down. Now you could just look at the tab, not worry about tuning down, and just kind of learn it from the tab. I got everything written in there, the strums, the riffs, all that. Even the solo in there with timing and everything. So here we go, main riff. Okay, so that happens a lot of times in the song. We have the 2-2-2 and open on the G string. And then we have this hammer on, pull off. So with the hammer on, pull off, we're gonna have the 2 down, bring the 3 in like a hammer and pull it back out. And if you kind of pull towards the ground on a pull off, it kind of snaps the string, makes it a little louder. So that whole riff, 2-2-2-0, and then one more open. So let's try to do that. We're gonna do that 6 times in a row. 2, 3, 4. Times. Then we're going to end on that 2 and hold that for 2 measures. Then we start our strum pattern. So let's do that riff a little bit slower for anybody who wants it a little slower. 2, 3, 4. Go ahead, do that too. Okay, now we're gonna have an A major chord, and our strum is gonna be down, up, 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 down, up. Okay, so it's like 1 and 4 and. So we don't hit the 2 or the 3 on those down beats. But you see, when I'm strumming, I'm kind of going up and down with all the 8th notes, the downs and ups. So 1 and 4 and. We're gonna do that A twice now. Let's try that. 3, 4. Now we're switching to D minor. We do that 2 measures, back to A. Now we have F. Now we have C. Now we have a measure of 6-4, so there's 6 beats in this measure. So this is going to be on the A chord. It's going to go 1, 2, and 4, and 5, and 6, and. Kind of has extra lyrics in that line, so he made it go longer to match those extra lyrics. So 1, 2, and 4, and 5, and 6, and. One more time. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 4, and 5, and 6, and. Okay, then we got D minor. We're back to 4/4 time. 3, 4. Now we start this cool riff, this C riff. Start on the 1 here, the C note on the B string. So we're gonna go C and then big one, open 2, 3, open 2, 3 on the G. Back to the C note, so it goes. And that's one whole riff. Then we have to start again on that 1. So we're gonna do this 3 times in a row. Okay, so that's the C riff. That's gonna happen a lot of times. 3 times that first time. Now we're gonna switch to the F riff. So that's 3, and then 0, 2, 3, 1, 3, 0, 1. So we do the F riff once, and then we get into this C sharp chord. This is 3, 1, 2, 1. We're gonna go. So the timing on that is 1, and 4. So no 2 and no 3. 1 and 4. Then we're back to the C riff twice. Let's try that C riff. So it's 1, 0, 2, 3, 0, 2, 3, 1, 1, 0, 2, 3. Let's try that 2, 3, and 4, and. Let's do it twice. And again. Let's try that F riff, which was. 1 3 0 1. Let's try that. 3 and 4 and. Let's try that again. 3 and 4 and. And then we have that C sharp chord with the down, up, up, down, and then we're back to the main riff. So let's do that 6 times. I'll count you in. 3, 4. 2 more. Hold that 2 for 2 measures. Then we got our verse again and our strum. Down, up, 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 down. We're going to do 2 sets of A. 3, 4. Up, down, up, and then D minor twice. Back to A. And then F is next. And then C is next. And then we have A for that 6/4 measure. So that one goes 1, 2, and 4, and 5, and 6, and. Let's try that. 3, 4. 1, 2, and 4, and 5, and 6, and then we're back to D minor, normal timing. 3, 4. Down, up, 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 down, up. And then we got our C riff 3 times. Then we got our F riff. We got that C sharp chord. Now we're going to the F riff once. And then the C riff once. Then the F riff again. C sharp. And then we got the main riff again. So just 4 times that time. Then we have our C riff again. And then the F riff. C sharp. F riff. C riff. F riff. And we got the C sharp. Then we're to the solo. So the solo is going to have that main riff again 7 times. So 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the solo starts, we're going to have. And he kind of misses the first note on the solo. It's kind of like he kind of botches it on the way there. But what we're going to have it is going to go 2, 2, 2, 0, and then 2 to 10. We're going to go 10, 10, 10, 9, and then 9, 9, 9. So we do this. 10, 10, 10, 10, 9, 9, 9, 9, and then back to this. Now this time, 2, 2, 3, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 9, 9, 7, 7. So all the timing and the tab and everything is in here. So I'm gonna play through the whole thing. So that solo, like I say, it's kind of complicated. It's simple in a way, but you have to count all these different measures to get it just right. So one more time, we're gonna go real slow. 1, 2, and 4, 1, and 4. 1, 2, and 4, 1, 2, and 4, and 1, 2, and 4, 1, 2, and 4, 1, and 2, and 4, and 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 4, and 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 1, 2, and 4. And it's all over. The Man Who Sold the World, the Nirvana version from the Unplugged MTV performance way back. Like I say, D tune a half step on this if you want to play along with the record. David Bowie's version is in standard tuning. It's just I did this one because I really knew this one a lot better. I've heard this one a lot more. So hope you all enjoyed that. Got 2 pages of tab to go with. Thanks for watching Damon's Baritone Uke Joint. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.